So evening recap. Me and Kian pretty much spent Saturday at home. Oh god, sorry. I wound up for about 4 hours weighing and measuring and photographing herbs and essential oils, put up on the websites, and then me and Keena had a little bit of a fire in the fire pit, and he wanted hot dogs for dinner, and neighbor told us about fireworks at the downtown Sumas days, so we headed over there at 10 p.m. 10:30. 2:30 they had a pretty impressive fireworks display. Ian was in his element. And got home by 11 and pretty much packed it up for bed. Had some ice cream for dessert and called it a night. Good night, Sumas.